Hey, it's Monday morning, January 25th, I guess. Um, Water came up to a little over 10,000 CFS. Here we are down at the Whitaker's property, their little cabin. You can see the current outside, but you can also see a decent current coming in into their property, into their little bottom here. We're looking all in here, and here is the road. There's Cubby at the edge.
Well, it started raining about 10:30, maybe 9:30, really hard, till about midnight. And then I looked at the USGS gauge, and it went from 450 to 10,000 cubic feet. And I figured it was time to go. So I killed all the power, unplugged the computer, put it on top of the refrigerator, called my neighbors, let them know what was going on, and went up to the fire department and looked down and see the height. So it's about what do you think, about 4 feet short of what it was last time?
3.5 to 4 feet, yeah.
So I'm waiting for the computer to fire up, and we'll see what the USGS says. Rule number 1, 2, and 3: don't try to drive your freaking truck through the water. It's very cold, all the way up to your ass, and then it